Good morning. My name is Yamini Churi, class SYMMS, roll number MB21024, subject Strategic HRM, college name SAS Institute of Management Studies, Boisar. My topic name is succession planning. What is a succession planning? Succession planning is the process of selecting and developing key talent to ensure the continuity of critical roles. It's about identifying top performers and potential leaders and mentoring and developing them so they can advance in the organization to move into top level roles. Employees get promoted, move companies, and retire every day. Why is succession planning important? Succession planning is important for the success of an organization for many reasons. A succession plan reduces risks and descriptions and ensure business continuity in case of unexpected departure. Many companies are not taking time to get new leaders up to speed, so they are tossed in a figures it out as they go. New leaders are left stressed out, fearful, and asking for help, and then they are held accountable to standards and expectations that they may not fully understand. This leads to higher turnover in very vital position for companies. Key knowledge and expertise can transfer rather than lost when someone is in a critical role depart. Succession planning gives high potential and high performing employees a clear career path in your organization. It will help to grow your existing talent, boost engagement, and save money on hiring external senior employees and executive. A succession plan presents and structures approach to preparing a new generation of leaders to steer your organization forward. A four-step succession planning process. Once the two preconditions are met, you can put your succession planning process in motion. The four-step process is based on the succession planning model we discussed above. The key process steps are: first, talent development; second, identification of leadership talent; third, leadership development; and fourth, succession decision. First, talent development. Taking a long-term approach to succession planning and combining it with talent and leadership development are two of the best practices when creating a succession planning strategy. Why? Because succession planning generally focus on senior leadership role that will be replaced by employees currently in mid-level leadership role, so it makes sense to integrate talent and leadership development with succession planning. Second, identification of leadership talent. During talent development programs, not everyone will succeed with which is why you need to continuously monitor and evaluate the participants. Those who event suitable to fill critical leadership position may be great candidates for low or middle management position. Third, leadership development. In this stage, those identified as, as having strong leadership potential are developed further. This differs from your average talent development. Future leaders are invited to internal courses and workshops. They are encouraged to develop closer condition with organization leaders as this will make them more effective in their future role. For succession decision, the key consideration in this step in the likelihood of people quitting the organization. Turnover in the leadership talent group is less disruptive but still very costly. This group is expensively trained and integrated into your succession plan. Not only will this result in extra cost for the future, but this turnover can disrupt the entire succession planning strategy for the organization. Therefore, managing expectation and monitoring turnover and key step to be mindful of all times. Benefit of succession planning. Creating succession plan for important position within your company in an effective way to improve performance during a transition. Some of the key benefits of using succession plan include: first, talent retention. Creating succession plan is an excellent way to show employees that they are valuable, which may make them stay with your company longer. By including an employee in a succession plan, you provide them with a clear direction on their professional career advancement. This shows them that by remaining with your company, they can potentially earn a promotion in the future. This can be particularly effective when the plan is prepared for the employee's departure at a set date, as it provides certainty to the employee. Second, performance maintenance. By providing employees with the plan followed during a staffing change, they understand their expectation during the transition and can continue to perform at their best. This can minimize the number of employees the change in staffing affect and also minimize an impact for staff who is influences. This maintain performance standard in order to keep production level at the company evaluates. Third, organizational clarity. Allowing staff to understand who is in line to fill the position and any changes to their own expectation because of the switch provides stability for employees. This further minimizes any disruption from normal operation as a result of the employee transition. Stability can help to make employees feel comfortable and secure, which can have the effect of rising morale within the company. Fourth, reduce transition cost. Making a change in staffing can cause organizational costs. This changes from lost production to the cost undergoing a search for a replacement employee. Within the succession plan in place, you reduce the financial impact of description. If your plan includes information on who assumed the position vacated or a shortlist for fill the position, it can remove or reduce the cost of finding or replacement. Tips for succession planning. Creating a succession plan is an effective way to protect your company and easy to process to carrying out many staff changes. Follow these tips when creating your succession plan to get the maximum benefit. First, develop career position on creating plan. Just as succession plans provide valuable guidance during a change, policies on succession plan can indicate the staff when they create a new plan. Noting in company policies both the position which always require succession plan, also the condition where non-required position may benefit from, ensure they have necessary succession plan coverage. Second, encourage early warning. The more time you have to prepare for a departure, the more effectively you can plan and mitigate any effect of their leaving. When a staff member moves into a position that calls for a succession plan, it's beneficial to speak when they about the importance of advance notice on any changes. Third, provide staff with development opportunities. Hiring from within obtain the cost-effective way to replace a departing staff member in order to prepare a succession plan that involve internal position. It's important to ensure that you have staff member ready to transition into the position the employee vacates. Offering training opportunities and mentorship to employees with the potential to fill the role allow you to make transition to new employee easier and more productive. Thank you.